In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your ghost posts on Threads app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, for you to edit your ghost post, you must find it. However, the first challenge is ghost posts don't appear to your normal profile. As you can see here, they are not among the posts. To do this, first you need to find your ghost post, and you can do this by logging into your account. Then tap on your profile icon here, and then you should see your profile icon here. Next to it, this is your current ghost post. If you tap on it, it will expand, and here you'll see all the ghost posts that you have. Now, should you want to edit, just tap on these three lines here, and here you can see we have various options, such as an option to edit, save, archive, replay options, as well as to delete it. To edit, tap on edit, and then you can now edit the post as you wish. For instance, you can add that, and to effect the changes, tap on post, and here now we have our full message edited. So that's how you can edit your ghost post on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.